what I realize in life is that you always have the choice. You choose your life, you choose your success, you choose your failure. And you can decide to make excuses, to blame your current situation, to complain about what you are right now, to complain about your environment, about your family, about your friends, about your job. Or you can make progress. But what is sure is that you cannot make both excuses and progress. So you have to choose. The life that you are living right now is your life by design. You choose the life that you are right now because there are opportunity for you to shift, to change, to tweak the life that you are living. And the question is, if you don't like your life right now, what are you doing every day to change, to tweak, to shift the current condition, the current life that you are living now? There are so many things that you can do, but what is sure is that it all depends on you. It all depends on the decision that you take every day to move you closer to your goal. So let me ask you this: do you want to make progress, or do you want to make excuses? Comment below. You have this opportunity to become who you want to be, but it all depends on you. You see, at first you need to define exactly who you want to become. What do you want to do in life? What is your success? And more importantly, you need to define why does it matter to you? Why is it so important? And precisely, be very precise in what you want to become and why. Because why do we make excuses in our life? Because we don't have any precise goal. We don't know exactly what we want to be and why we want to be that. So if you don't have a good reason, and if you don't have clarity in your mind about what you want to become, then you will still make excuses. So be clear about what and who you want to become. And it is not easy to define exactly what we want to be, what we want to do in our life. We even don't know if we will like it. So at first you need to study, you need to try. Let's say you think that being in real estate will make you successful, will make you a lot of money. But how about you don't like it? And how do you know you don't like it? Well, at first, study it. Study the people who are succeeded in real estate. Study them, read books, and try it at the beginning. Try to join an agency, work for them, and you will find out if you like it or not. But what is sure, if you don't like it, even if it makes you money, then you are not going to go very far. Do something that you are passionate about, that you like, that you enjoy. Then once you're clear about what you want to do in life and why, then study, immerse yourself, study books, study people. There are so many content available for free on the internet that you can read. So study how to become successful and immerse yourself in this environment. Talk to people that are doing what you want to do. Surround yourself with those kind of people, because your environment will condition your mind for success. If you can see people that are doing what you want to do, that will motivate you to do the same thing, because you know that people succeed in that. People can make this dream that you want to achieve possible. And finally, improve, always improve. Study the result that you are getting, the feedback, positive, negative, that you are getting, and improve, change, tweak, read different book, get more knowledge that will help you to improve your current state. Because you could have the persistence to do the thing that you do again and again, but if you're doing the wrong thing, then it is not going to bring you to the place where you want to be. So you need to get this feedback, you need to improve what you are doing on a day-to-day basis so that it can help you to move you closer to your goal every day. So don't make excuse. Choose your life. It is only up to you.